What is up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today's gonna be an exciting one because today we're going drag racing and Rick is challenging TJ, Evan Shanks, and Dustin Williams to a drag race. So everyone's heading down to Race Legal tonight. It is a legal 8th mile track. It takes place at the old Qualcomm Stadium. So we're heading down there. No, I'm not racing the E36 M3, but I figured right now everyone's kind of cleaning their cars out back. So I'm gonna take this dirty E90, clean it up, just take a few minutes, and then we'll get on the road. You guys might have seen us around the shop with these new wallets. This is a really cool one. It's from Ridge, and we actually have a promo code to give to you guys. If you use the promo code EB10, you'll save 10% off your purchase. I'm gonna put a link of their products in the description. There's a bunch of cool stuff. They have all different colors, but I absolutely love it. It's so much easier, and it looks super clean. So if you're interested in this, check out the link in the description. It's called Ridge Wallets, and use promo code EB10, save yourself 10%.
So this is my 2006 CLS 55 AMG. So this car is completely stock. From the factory, it comes with 470 horsepower and 516 foot-pounds of torque. So my biggest problem is going to be traction. The car comes factory with a 285/30/19, but honestly, just driving this car on the street, if I accelerate hard, I can lose traction in first and second. So I'm a little bit concerned about hooking up and specifically getting the launch right.
So a few hours have passed since our last check-in. Right now I'm sitting in Rick's CLS, and I know a bunch of you guys are wondering why I'm not driving the M3, and honestly, it's just because it's not ready yet. It is not sorted out. So go ahead, hose me in the comments if you want, but the car is not ready. I'm not gonna risk blowing it up or doing something that's stupid without having the tune being finalized, dyno tuned, etc, etc. So we're hopping in Rick's car. Believe it or not, this is going to be the fastest car tonight. I'm gonna leave that clip in whether or not it is, but I really think that this car is gonna be the fastest one. Do you think you're gonna beat everyone tonight?
I think so.
Think so? Yeah, I think so too. So we'll check in with you guys when we get to the track. All right, time for a little tech inspection, and then we'll get on the strip. You ready?
I'm ready.
Should be fun. I'm excited. We got a good crowd out here tonight. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to hear me over that. 8th mile drags, Qualcomm Stadium is always a good time. Slight delay. Rick's car actually just failed tech inspection, and the car is 100% stock, but he's missing a lug bolt on one of the front wheels. So Rick just ran to AutoZone. He's on his way back right now, and then we'll get to some passes. All right, so we're staging right now. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. First pass with Rick in the CLS.
Yeah, do it.
Behind a little Turbo D's. Little Genesis race here. Here we go.
Here we go.
Yeah, man, this thing hauls, dude, you hooked up really good.
Yeah, dude, the traction control off is key.
I wonder, what do you think that 60 foot was?
That was in the low 2s, high 1s. It was like way faster than the other runs.
Really?
Yeah. Did that feel good to you?
Yeah, definitely. Round 2, Charger on slicks. Oh, they're going in the other lane. I don't know what this Chevy Spark is doing out here, especially against the C7. All right, so what are we trying this time?
So we're gonna do the burnout pit, and then we're gonna go traction control on and like a softer launch. Really ease onto it. See if we can get that 60-foot time down.
Yeah, so we're trying to avoid wheel spin right now. That seems to be the issue with this car at the launch. Basically, so much power, it's hard to put it down to the ground. So these are the just regular tires, and we did not adjust the tire pressure because we don't have a compressor here. So we'll see if this improves it. I'm not too sure.
All right.
Here we go.
Here we go. Let's see if I can ease on to the traction.
Oh. He's got us.
He got us.
What'd you think about the wheel spin? I think that did feel faster.
I don't know. It's tough to say. I don't know. How did it feel to you?
It's so hard to judge. To me, it felt like the first time we were floating a lot more at the beginning. So that felt like a harder launch, but that like initial, like you crossed the line and then it kind of bogged and then took off.
That's so what's been happening every time. It's either, if traction control is off, it's really smooth, but I'm just burning out through first, and even into the shift into second, it starts to burn out. Or if I'm on traction control, it seems to hook up better in, you know, on the shift to second, but that first gear, that bog just kills my 60-foot.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
My guess is maybe around the same overall.
I think we'll probably do about the same time overall. Thanks, man.
Look, Paul, you got kicked out of the That was your best run.
Yeah?
8.858. 2.2 60-foot.
2.2, okay.
Alright, so it is the next day and I'm just editing this video and I realized I forgot to film an outro, but what I meant to tell you guys is that both Evan Shanks and Rick both ran an 8.8 at the track. So essentially, those cars were the two fastest cars there. I think Dustin came in third and then TJ came in fourth. So I wanted to try something a little bit different. I wanted to give you guys a sneak preview of the video that's coming out tomorrow for you guys. So I'm gonna insert that clip right now. It's a POV driving of the E36 M3 Turbo. I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. So if you guys want to see the full video, you guys are going to have to come back tomorrow. And while you're doing that, why don't you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.